Hello everyone. Now in this session you are going to learn one new thing. That is the main concept of inheritance, where you need to display your respective parent class name, child class name, and also main class. Okay, this is very interesting thing that you are going to learn new thing. Okay, that is parent class name, child class name, and main class name. These all classes are going to be displayed to you. So for this reason, what you have to do, first of all, you have to define parent class, that is P, and inside, okay, you if you write or don't write doesn't matter, but the only thing is you have to define the parent class, that is P. And if you are interested, write the method and write the body of method. And next you you need to define subclass, that is C, and you need to use a keyword called extends for inheritance. And what is your parent class? P. Okay, this is the way you have to apply the inheritance. And next you need to write the main class, main method. And next you need to take the parent class with object P, small p, and you need to call the class name as your default constructor. Here P is nothing but default constructor. And new is the keyword to instantiate with object. Similarly for subclass, that is nothing but child class, create the object C and invoke the subclass C as your default constructor. Now please understand these three print statements, system.out.println. You need to display the parent class name. For this reason, what you have to do, object P, you need to access with dot and use the get class, and also dot get simple name. Okay, and for child class name you have to use the object C dot get class, same dot get simple name. Okay, and next main class name, similar. Okay, similar to that one, main dot class dot get simple name. That means the main importance of this program is to display the parent class, child class, and main class. Okay, these are all the different classes you are going to exhibit the same. Okay, it's a very interesting one. Please go through this program once. Once again, I am going to repeat. Everything is same up to here. Object instantiation, everything. Now you need to call the object with accessing the class and that is name of the class, and everything will be displayed to you. Okay, if you run this program, you will get the output as three print statements. That is parent class, child class, main class. I hope you are clear with this. This is the explanation part given to you. Please once go through this program carefully. And thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe without fail and share with others to subscribe. Put like. Thank you for watching.